All right, welcome back. And now we're going to do part two of these super cool bots that are going to report the token value of a token as told by Nomics in a Discord so that we don't have to leave in order to see it and we can show our token price to all our members. Super cool. So if you followed part one, then you already have this working, but the bots will not show as online. And so the thing that we need to do is, well, set up a server so that that happens. So let's go over to, here it is, replit.com. And this repository, I'll give the link, you can access it. None of this code is originally mine. I think I changed like one thing maybe. Yeah, so basically this is the first Python script I've written. You'll notice as I try to explain it to you, I'm maybe not even that knowledgeable, but it does work. And yeah, so that's the good news. So, we're importing our packets here. This is import Discord. I actually wonder if I'm supposed to update it to import discord.py. If you take a look at the packages, importing this is basically a wrapper so that you can interact with Discord's API. Flask, I'm actually not sure what it does, but it was part of the script that was recommended for Keep Alive. So those are the two files that we have. So you can copy and paste this and it largely should work. The only modification you'll have to do is token os.environ.get here. This is basically pulling the token value. If I put it in the code, people could see it and that wouldn't be very secure. So instead you go to secrets, environmental variables, and these are kept secret. And then you'll see right here, you can create a new one. So you can call that token or you can name it whatever you want. And then you just update over here the name of the token. So I think even, yeah, there's an extra line of code in here maybe. But so we have two basic purposes that are going on here. One is, just the general housing and importing the packets and all that, like the wrapper. And then there is the actual keep alive function over here. So you can see what that does. You can copy paste it, basically returns I'm alive. And so we have something to ping here. So this keep alive function, what it's going to do is it's just going to get the token and then it's going to do client.run using the token. And so what that's going to do is just run the bot. It's not actually doing anything. There's no function, but it's keeping the bot alive because it's done an action. So we need to run that at least once an hour because on the free plan of Replit anyways, in Discord, if the bot doesn't have activity, I'm pretty sure it's within an hour, then it goes offline. So the problem with free Replit is that it doesn't let you keep the server alive for very long once you have, once you've closed the browser window, but we have a solution for that. So if you grab this URL right here, and that's only going to pop up once you hit play. So if you grab that, we can go over to Uptime Robot. You can add a new monitor, and I'm going to show you how I have set this up. So the first thing, here, let me just show you edit. All right, so the first thing is you're going to choose HTTPS, then you put in a friendly name, then you paste in the URL that we just grabbed from the other page, the server URL. The monitoring interval every 30 minutes is working so far, so that seems to be fine. And that's it. So you can set up a contact email if you would like to have notifications when it pings the server and the server, doesn't respond like, hey, I'm all right. Doesn't give, I think it's a 200 response. And yeah, with that combination of things, you're basically good to go. So I've been testing this for 2 days now on my server. The bots have stayed online. And that's really great news. So if you have questions about this script, you can post them in the comments. Again, I'm going to put credit in the description because I forget where I got this from, but it was super useful. It was very fast to set this whole thing up. And yeah, I hope this is really useful to you guys because now you can, whether or not you're doing the token bot, this part is going to keep your bots alive, whatever functionality they have. And if you learn integromat, or if you learn Python or whatever other script, you can actually do this in like JavaScript and in Node, which started to get away from me a little bit. So I didn't. But yeah, you can modify this, and probably the next thing I'll do is take the integromat parts, which right now it's running like $2-3 a month worth of requests, but I'm pretty sure I can bring it over here and bring that down a bit. And instead of running every hour, we can maybe run every 15 minutes. or more frequently. So I'm going to test that all out next. But again, hope this is useful. Thank you guys for being here and for watching. As always, we run on props, or maybe we run on, crowd votes. So if this video is useful, we'll make more of them. Just let us know, give us thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that, and then we'll just pop out more of these things for you guys. So thank you so much, and enjoy. Happy development.